First time ko din doon.
First time talaga, first time. Yan. Ano kami ngayon? Challenging for Black Wall Loop.
Hindi ko siya pinilit ha.
I set up a ride invite to do a Black Wall Loop, one of the most famous and most challenging climbs here in Tagaytay. Lucky for me, I had one brave victim who decided to follow my lead on this ride. I'm honestly glad he joined. It's always better to suffer together than alone. We kicked things off with a descent at Ligaya Drive, a section with gradients so steep, one mistake and gravity could flip you right over. This is not a place to show off speed. Here, it's all about control, steady hands, stable posture, and smart braking.
Sumama ka sa amin, gumalaw. Abatin ang bituin, kumikislap, nagniningning. Hawakan mo aking kamay.
In here, we are enjoying the moment and start seeing beautiful views here in Tagaytay.
Sumayaw tayo, kasama ang buong mundo. Hataw agad sa umpisa, laro tayo. Tara laro. Ang pinapangarap ko, kasama.
Once we reach the lowlands of Talisay, we open up the pace just a bit, enjoying the flow of the flats, but no pressure. We weren't treating this like an Odax race. The goal wasn't speed, it was a strategy. We knew we had to conserve our strength for the brutal climbs waiting for us in Barangay Laurel. Our first stop was 7-Eleven in Barangay. This place is almost like a checkpoint for every cyclist about to enter the battlefields of climbs. Just right after that, and then we started to climb here at Barangay Laurel, starting the Black Hole. As you can see, if you are into nature, you can see a lot of greenery in this place. Still a remote place, but the road condition is quite good for a cyclist. But there are some part which is gritty area, and you have to be very careful because some of the areas have some sharp objects, and there's a potential chance that you will be
Wow! Nag-aalangan ako sa lumot eh. Black hole. Ito nga talaga. Hi! Oo. %21. 21. 25%. That was tough. 21%, but 25%, but slightly dangerous. Your traction is not well holding good.
Based on my experience, the average gradient is reaching up to 21% to 25%. So it's about 6.3 kilometers from lowlands of Barangay Laurel going up back to the Tagaytay Highlands. So it's a really long pain on the legs because majority of the climbs is reaching up to 25%. So this is really a challenging, especially for the beginners, and I suggest this is not really for beginners. You should be well trained to do this. And I admit this is not an easy climb.
Uy, grabe. Pagkamali ka dyan, hulog ka oh.
Pagkalipas ng dilim ay may bukas.
Grabe. No. Talagang ano talaga to.
Pangakong ito'y pagsubok lang. Di ka mag-isa. Walang problemang di kaya. Ngumiti ka muna. Sumama ka sa aming gumalaw. Ibang lakas pag may kasabay. Tara laro, sumayaw tayo kasama ang kumanta.
This is the narrow road and then one of the last climbs of Black Wall.
Oh, I don't know what percentage are we here, but we are here at Nugan. I love Nugan. We hope we can get some fresh water here. Kaya pa. Kaya pa. Wala naman siguro mabilis dyan. Yeah! The last climb! Black Wall unlocked. Rainy weather, quite slippery. We safely made it. Thanks to my tour guide and a motivator. Thank you for coming. Thank you. Come again.
Come again. Oh!
We will come again. Promise. Promise with more cyclists.